Okay, guys, so we're here again. So our picture game for today is Miami Heat versus the New York Knicks. So before I start, so let's just have some recap. So I have our we are at our 3-0 run, so 3-0 streak. So we're hot. So Knicks -9 versus the Memphis. So we won there. Suns versus the Mavericks -2. So we won there again. And lastly, Suns -5 versus the Pacers, and we won there again. So all that win is we won that very easily. So we didn't struggle here. So but here maybe we will have a hard time, but I think we can manage. We can read this game properly. So let's go. So game info: Heat 7-5, 8 on the East, while the Knicks have 7-4, second in the East. So when on Friday, November 14, 2025 Eastern Time, 7 p.m., which is 8 a.m. November 15, 2025 here in Manila, where Madison Square Garden. So the home court advantage will go to the New York Knicks. So spread: Heat plus 5.5, New York Knicks -9.5. So here I will give my pick. So over under 236.5. So my final pick is Heat -5.5. So why I pick Heat, the Miami Heat -5.5. So here are the injury report. Tyler Hero, Terry Rozier, and Bam Adebayo is out for the Miami Heat, while the New York Knicks have Jalen Bronson out on their report. So as we can see, Miami Heat have lost three of their key players, while the New York Knicks only lost their best player, Jalen Bronson. So why did I pick Miami? So here, the New York Knicks beat the Grizzlies. New York Knicks beat the Grizzlies, lost to the Magic, and they played the Heat next. The Knicks have won 5 of their last 6 games. So the Heat is on the go. The Heat beat the Knicks in their last head-to-head matchup. It was 115-107 scoreline at Kaseya Center. So it's been 6 Knicks wins in the past 10 games between these teams. So that's some helpful facts. One of the thing why I picked the Miami Heat to beat the New York Knicks is because they're playing a whole new basketball today. This season they play fast paced, while last season they play slow. So that's why and here they defeated the Knicks in their first game in this season. So and with Jalen Bronson, but with Bam Adebayo also. So why I still pick the Knicks? So as we can see, they lost in their home court, and then they have 5 games winning streak, and then they lost on their six. So they lost the game badly. So they have been blown out by the Magic, and Jalen Bronson was injured. So I think that's bad for the team. I think their morale have gone low, and it will be a factor in the game tomorrow. So while the Miami Heat have lost Bam Adebayo, their best player, but they lost him a while now. So they have adjusted their game without Adebayo and Tyler Hero, while the New York Knicks will just play the first game that Jalen Bronson is out. So I think that will be a hard adjustment for the New York Knicks, and I think with that they won't be able to cover the -5.5. So my pick is the Heat. I go with the Heat -5 plus 5.5, and that's all. Thank you. So if you're gonna gamble, please gamble in moderation, and I'm out.